whole purpose of this kitchen, doing the floor, was to turn around and have a kitchen that was built for purpose for the next 20 plus years. We've exceeded my expectations, and I believe we've exceeded the club's expectations. The whole renovation I've done, was fantastic, but the floor sort of just brought everything all together. It was like the final piece, because it's so durable, it's strong, extremely happy with the product itself. The team that put it down met and really exceeded my expectations. I have 250 square meters of this floor down, including my office where we're sitting now, my fridges, my corridors, everywhere, right? And it was just, it's fantastic, right? It really is. And, from what I understand is even if I have an accident, the possibility of repairing this floor, is just as complex, but it's seamless to turn around and repair it, right? When you have an issue, turn around and resolved it, right? In a very professional manner. This floor is, it's a non-slip floor. It's durable. It's very, very easy to clean. It's safe. No matter what goes down on the floor or what happens to the floor during operation, you can turn around and you clean it, you bring it back, right? And it's still the same as what it was when it was put down. But now, right, the Degafloor Middle East, right, is in this region. Right? In this region, I think it's a fantastic opportunity for them as a company, but also for hospitality businesses. Right? Just in the short period of time I've had the floor down, I've had numerous executive chefs come by. Industrial kitchen executives come by to look at it, and just all of us are just very impressed with the final product, the speed in which it went down. Just in general, it's I think it could be a game changer for the Middle East.